This is the Telemetry Transportation Daily for April 22nd, 2025, and I'm Sam Abu-Al-Samad, Vice President of Market Research for Telemetry. It's been 15 years since Hyundai launched its first hybrid electric vehicle in North America with an electrified version of the Sonata. Since then, all of the hybrid models from the Hyundai Motor Group brands, including Kia and Genesis, have utilized the same basic architecture, with a clutch and electric motor positioned between the engine and a conventional step-ratio automatic transmission and a belted starter generator replacing the alternator on the engine. Hybrid configurations are typically described by where the electric drive is positioned relative to the engine and transmission. The belted starter generator is a P0, a motor between the engine and clutch is a P1, between the clutch and transmission is a P2, the output of the transmission is P3, and on the opposite axle from primary drive is P4. The original Hyundai system was a combination of P0 and P2. When operating in electric mode, a clutch decouples the engine from the motor and transmission, allowing it to be shut off. The starter generator is used to restart the engine as well as to provide some additional electric boost and energy recovery when the engine is running. While not always as efficient as the dual motor and ECVT configuration used by Toyota, it does provide a more traditional driving experience. With the launch of the redesigned 2026 Palisade 3-row SUV last week at the New York Auto Show, Hyundai is also debuting a next-generation hybrid system for the company. The P0 starter generator is now replaced with a P1 motor attached to the rear end of the engine, upstream of the clutch. This direct connection to the engine allows for greater power and regeneration capability with reduced losses associated with the belt drive. This new P1, P2 architecture with a 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder will deliver a combined 329 horsepower and 339 pounds-feet of torque on the Palisade, compared to 287 and 260 pounds-feet from the base 3.5-liter V6 on that vehicle, while also providing over 30 miles per gallon. The same configuration will also be used on future smaller vehicles with a 1.6-liter engine and in a new rear-wheel drive layout for new Genesis models. There's still plenty of life left in the hybrid powertrain. Thanks for listening, and I'll be back tomorrow.